All right. So the value of number becomes 3. So it goes back into the while loop and prints out and checks if the number, it checks the condition. If this number which is 3 is less than 20, which is true, then again it prints out the number. All right. So let's see the output now and see how it works out. Let's saving the program, then clear the screen now. Compile. Okay, see the output: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and on and on and on. So what about if I change this to 2? You're going to see the output, something similar to what we did. It'll be something similar to what we did earlier. Okay, yeah, 2, you see it's giving out the even numbers. Interesting. What about if I say 3 and then I say 3? So this means that oh, I have to save it. It's still showing red. I have to save it, then compile, then execute. I'm seeing the multiples of 3: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. And that way about the program of printing numbers, multiples of 3. Okay, this is just a simple example to show off how to use the while loop to iterate over a task we want to perform repeatedly. So we've seen an example here. Okay, that's it with the while loop. Sometimes this is a simple condition. You could also have concatenated conditions, like you could have look at this scenario. You can have and added to it, okay, and added to it. They also have or also added to it also. Okay, now say let me start and pick up an example using and statement here. Okay, so okay, the int figure is equal to 4. Okay, then let's change this to 2 or 1, then change this to 1 as well. So this means that we're incrementing by 1, then and let me change it to or statement. Or before that, I can say and figure is less than or equal to 30. So I'm going to also increment figure. So I'm going to say figure. Okay, and of course what this means is that figure plus 1 there. Okay, then now this and statement means that the double ampersand means and in Java, and then it means while this is true and also this is true, that is the only condition it's going to enter into this while statement to print out this value in line 9. Okay, but now I want to I want to change this to or statement so that it will be that either this condition is true or this condition is true. Okay, let me take it let me get an or statement. My keyboard is behaving funny. Let me go for my screen keyboard. On screen keyboard, we have to change this expression to or. Shift, that shift. Yeah, thank you. You can go. So that's it now. Or okay, so let's see what's going to happen. So what I expect to see is number will be printed from 1 to 30, because when it goes from 1 to 20, okay, this will become false, but or this will still remain true. So while figure would have gotten to 20, then 21, still comparing this value, okay, which will still continue to return true until it gets to 30. So number will give us 1 to 30. Alright, so let's see the output. Clear. Then we'll Java compile. Java, okay. Oh, we have an error somewhere. Line 6. Missing a semicolon or something. Something like yeah, line 6. Semicolon is missing there. Okay. Yo, good, no error. Alright. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All these are number variable number. We got 27. The reason is because this was 4. Should be 4, should be 1. So there we go. Yeah, 1 to 30. Yeah, so I'm trying to bring out the fact that indeed you can combine not just one expression but multiple expressions using or and and. You can have it more, you can have even more and more and more expressions here, not just two expressions, just depending on what you're trying to achieve. Okay, so that does it for the while loop. Now let's look at the do while loop. Now the do while loop is quite similar to the while loop. The only difference is that for the do loop, the loop is at least performed once before the condition is checked. Now let's see the structure for the do while loop. Let's call it the do while loop. Okay, so let's go to our program again. Now we're going to look at another example here, saying that public void using do while loop. There we go. Okay, so the structure for the do while loop is this. You have a do statement, then open bracket, then you have your while statement, then you have the condition, then semicolon. That's it. Okay, so let's see how this will play out. So yeah, then within here you can then have the code or the statements you want to repeat over a period of time. So let's see an example now. Again, just to print out a name. I'll print out numbers again. Now I'm going to say number, print as int, number is equal to 1. Then I'll say system.out.print line, saying my number is space, let return number. Alright, then again remember we must increment number so it increases to 2. Then the condition, something similar to the while loop condition, so we go like number is less than or equal to, let's go to 10. I don't feel like going very far today, like printing multiple numbers. Okay, so we have system.out.print line, my number is number. Okay, then number plus number, then 10. Yeah, do while loop, 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 do while loop. All right, so let's see. I'm going to clear this. Oh, one more thing again, I have to say, hey, using the do while loop in our main program, otherwise it will still be executing this method. Okay, so here I'm just going to comment this out, then I say cp1 dot there. So using do while loop, we're done with using the while loop. Excuse me. All right. Okay. there.